අවසරයි සියලු දෙනාම ඉන්න NisGadgets channel එකට සුබ දවසක් කියා පිළිගන්නවා. ඉතින් මම අදත් ගෙනව ලස්සන වීඩියෝ. මේ වීඩියෝ එකේ ඇති product එක top selling product එකක්, most popular product එකක්, best customer ratings තියෙනවා, good reviews තියෙනවා. ඔයාලා මේ product එක මිලදී ගැනීමට හොය වැඩි විස්තර දැන ගැනීමට අවශ්‍ය නම් මගේ වීඩියෝ description එකේ තියෙන links වලින් දැනගන්න පුළුවන්. ඉතින් ඔයාලා මගේ වීඩියෝ එකට කැමති නම් like කරන්න, comments කරන්න, share කරන්න, මගේ channel එක subscribe කරලා තියාගන්න. සියලු දෙනාටම සුබ දවසක්. ජය වේවා.
This is the Mueller Pro Series 10-in-1 8-blade vegetable chopper. It comes with 8 diverse blades crafted out of premium stainless steel. It chops, dices, slices, and grates large food quantities in mere seconds. It makes food prep so much faster and easier, and cleanup is a breeze. It's made with food-grade, BPA-free materials. They've got 24/7 live customer support. Go check them out.
I want to show you the Full Star Chopper. It is super duper handy when you need to chop a bunch of food and vegetables. It is a dishwasher safe, at least mine is. I put it in the dishwasher. It comes apart. Here's the clear piece where your vegetables are going to go. You've got 2 different sizes for chopping, a smaller, finer one for like egg salad, onions. Then you've got a larger one if you want to do like French fries. I'm going to do some zucchini for you. You also have a julienne and a spiral. Here is the little gripper for when you're using them. You can grab your vegetables with this so you're not got your fingers down there and accidentally get them. And it's got a little scraper cleaner. So I'm going to bring you in so that you can see this up close and what it does. Okay, so I've got you in here close, and there you go. Right now I don't have anything in it. The first one we are going to put in it is the finer graded one, so you can do your egg salad, things like that. Got an egg here. We'll just put a couple eggs in here. And just going to take it and push it down. There you go. Let's take a look at it. This pops out and you can wash it. Top comes off. And there are your eggs all ready for egg salad. And let's grab some onion here. And I'll just stick one slice in there and push it down. It's a little bit tougher. Came on through. You can use your little piece to get those out. And there is your finely chopped onion. Now we're going to take it up and we are going to use the bigger chopper. Slip it in there. Grab some zucchini. Put it in there. The zucchini is much easier than my onion was. You can use this for potatoes. So you got French fries. And there you go for your zucchini chunks. All right, now to do our julienne, we're just going to take this piece out. It just pops right out. And I've put the julienne in. I'm going to stick that right in there. Get our zucchini. And here we go. And when you get down low, you do have the little piece that will attach to the top so you're not getting your fingers in it. And let's see what we've got now. Look at this. Just perfect. Every time. Now, it's super easy to switch this out. All you gotta do is get your thumb under there, pop this one out, and we're gonna put on the spiral. Just gonna put that in there and pop it down. Grab my zucchini again, and this will be the spiral. You could do carrots. You could do about anything in here. Potatoes, smaller potatoes, as it's the opening's not real huge. And there you go. Let's open this up and take a look. Look at this. Look how pretty that is. I'll open it up so we can see it. You've got your spirals. So, like I said, this is the Full Start Vegetable Chopper. Eggs, onions, potatoes, zucchini, spirals, julienne, you name it, you can do it all right here.
Thanks for watching NisGadget channel. Please tell us which gadget is your favorite in the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. Goodbye.